For altcoins, just a quick updates. This is altcoins where you can pay attention now for speculation. Because for me personally, guys, all of these coins are absolutely just a pure speculation. With all of these updates, integration, the partnership, even on the countries level, right? So nothing special. Nothing special behind on the chart, like you can see. But these type of charts, guys, usually one day we definitely will break out these downtrend lines. This downtrend line, just hypothetical one, because we can cut all noise, for example, use the line chart, magic, right? So on that touch based on rules, we should be here like a downtrend. Resistance. But if we count this top, so this is higher than this. On a line chart, it's not. That's why all of these trend lines is just a hypothetical one in theory. But anyway, I believe one day the XLM will hit the new all-time high, just like speculation. So we are now around the fundamental value price and around the 27 block. So these levels, guys, we track since zone 22, I guess, or even zone 21. So we can close this monthly gap. This is done. This block, guys, it's a global accumulation zone. So top, support, 27 block, even the under that block, bounce, 78, consolidation in May, zone 22, and November, zone 24. So around the 2 years, 1.5 year, we consolidated here. Pump 0.5, reject 38, come back again to 18. So I truly believe the all-time high for XLM will be around $1.33. I will not show you all indicators data because the video will be like 1 hour. So I would like to show you just the main levels. Where are we now with the take profit indicator? And I would like to double check this one, money power. Money power, do we see some money inflow from the whales or not? I recommend you guys, if you're interested in XLM or any other coins from this video or just your favorite, just use this set and move from indicator to indicator to double check the additional data so you will know more than just a basic retail trader. So now, guys, the retest was here. If we will drop once again inside this zone 1528 935, it's for the summer. If we will see the summer correction, buy line, we trade under the buy line on the weekly time frame. It's 1826. Take profit line 3564. So this is it. Add alert to the take profit line. Lines are dynamic, and track it. One day we'll come back and test the take profit line. Monthly time frame, I don't think so. Oh no, we got here buy line on the monthly time frame. This is for the summer correction. If the summer will be red, 1176, it's a zone of buy line on the monthly, global one. On a monthly, guys, I would like to see the money inflow into XLM. Last one it was here, June 22 and September 19. It doesn't mean if we see the money inflow on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, immediately we should pump. No, of course not. But usually it's a zone with the comfortable price of the whales, some of the whales who accumulated for the long run, or a spot position. That's why we're around the bottom. And I hope this time we'll recover faster. All right, so I showed you the zones. And the FIB, of course, guys, relevant, absolutely relevant. Take a look. The next one is flow. Of course, global targets, what we talk about a flow, when we trade here at 43 cents, I don't know, 74, 50, not relevant anymore. Because I don't think so. Of course, everything is possible in crypto, but I don't think so. We will come back again to the 431. And I don't want to even talk about this I don't know, 1132. That time, it was realistic one. For example, we traded 48 cents. So here, 2,200% gains, more than real to see, right? Right. But not now. After the hack, after the monitoring attack, finally, the Binance at least remove the flow from the monitoring attack. If you didn't know what is Binance monitoring attack, it's a list of the tokens which under the risk of the listing. And why the Binance delisting so important? Because the Binance is the main liquidity provider for the traders and investors. The big players trade mostly on Binance. And if the Binance delist the token from the exchange, usually that one red candle down 30% immediately. On a distance, of course, we can see the example of Monero. After Binance delisting, it's hitting all-time high. That's why, guys, everything is possible in crypto. If you will hear somebody who say, I know the future 100%, it's just a liar. Nobody knows the future. We just build a plan, personal plan. That's why my plan for the flow, I'm in flow, but like speculation, I'm going to try to out at 1867. At this current moment, it's a fundamental value line. At this point, I will out of flow. So this is it on a spot. If we go higher, I don't care. I don't care. This is my plan. Levels, you can see now on the screen. This one, I add alert to be ready to out. And I will add alert to the fundamental value line when we will touch this line. You can believe it or not, but one day I will share the notification about the test of the fundamental value line. Take profit line now, it's around the 50 cents. This one. Is it possible to see? Yes, of course. Yes, it's possible. It's possible even to test 50 cents, for example. Let's count from the bottom. For example, it's 1,600% gains. Why the flow can be good for speculation? Because I guess all coins in circular supply. So there is no seller pressure from the unlocks or something. Sweep this high is 4,300 for 400%. I don't think so. We're going to pump to $1.27. But fundamental value line, buy line test below, take profit 1K600, exit line around 2,000. More than real to see. So this is realistic gains for now. Will we see the new all-time low? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. We are ready from the dump, Donald Trump dump, after that the hack and all of this stuff, but we form the same way the order flow. That's why usually we come back and close at least 50% of that order flow. And maybe, we can see something like this scenario. The summer kept building the uptrend structure and go to the, 50 cents or 60 by middle of the autumn. So this is a target at least for this summer, if we'll see the green summer or the autumn. It's hard to say about a timing. Or like this one. But you have to build a plan, guys. Of course, there's always 2 direction, 3 direction, million plans can be. Nobody knows the future, but I share my plan, what I will do. That's why I add alert to the fundamental value line. When it's triggered, I'm out. I'm out. We go higher, I don't care. I'm more than enough. All right, this is it. Let's take a look at the money power. Here, this was a money inflow. 1, 2, 3. The great example, nobody know the hacks, for example, or some issues with the project. And even some whales can accumulate in not the best prices. Because here, after Donald Trump, we dumped to the 18. It was a logical entry, but after that we dump it again, and 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row it was accumulation January, February. So in average we can say like 1870 and 3 cents 5. So I don't know, around the 10, I guess it's more than real. So that guys who accumulated here and here, they average entry 10 cents. So more than real to see the double X, where mostly they will withdraw initial deposit. It's a test of fundamental value around 20 cents with a weak candle, or the buy line below 24. So add alert and wait and track it. So the next coin, what you have to pay attention, it's a flow. It's so underrated. And now based on risk ratio, guys, while the Binance remove the flow from the monitoring list, I think just like speculation, flow can be the good one, because we around the all-time low. It was like 2 cents 80. So yes, of course, we pump around the 70%, but it's not like, lab coin pump at 4,000 and people scream, we're going to the moon, right? So we are now so underrated. 1 inch. Yes, the same story. I adjusted the fib with the magnet to this low. We are trading inside 27 block. So this one 49.3 and the one more zero. Yes, of course, guys, we can drop under the negative, because the people ask how we can drop to the negative price. We can just basically add 1 0. So we dump under the 1 cent and add 1 0, 0.209, for example. That's why on a FIB you could see the negative prices. So for the 1 inch, like you can see, if we compare the flow fundamental value line and the 1 inch, every single coin has own take profit line zones. And if we compare the 1 inch and the flow, of course, more underrated. That's why for the value line test below 1 inch, it's 11 cents. Take profit line, it's 29.59. And of course, the craziest scenario is this block 474, 547 in the future. But honestly, I don't think so. We'll reach that target. So this is a zone for the 1 inch. Now, based on the money power indicator here, money info was in February around at 9 cents. Yes, around 9 cents, round number. KuCoin Web3 wallet integrates 1 inch. Trusted volumes hit by 6.7 million exploiters. 1 inch denies the breach, denies protocol. You can read the news, but like you can see, that news, even the bad or good, not affect the price at all. We are in that market condition now where even the worst news not affect the price, because the people tired. There's empty order box now. Nobody even care about a crypto. People will care about a crypto, and we'll talk about a 1 inch, I guess, when we hit the 30 cents, people start talking about, yes, we go into the $1. But it's going to be the time to take the profit. Zones, guys, I showed you. So locally, if you look in the best option to buy, this is a test of the buy line, 637, 32, 37, this one. Take profit line on the daily, it's 1262. No money inflow yet on a daily, no money inflow yet on a weekly, but at least no money outflow. Let's add alert to the money outflow on a weekly. Is going to be the signal to out of 1 inch. Atom. Of course, after that crazy abnormal dump, but it's just happened on the Binance. Maybe it's, I don't know, it's coordinated. We can't know. Maybe just cascade liquidations. Maybe just the open, not open, it's just the empty order book, because how it can happen. For example, this is an order book with the orders, limit orders. But when the price falling, and here zero limit orders, price can fall even to zero, even on the BTC. If the order book is empty without orders, with a big volume, big orders, the price can drop even to the negative price to add 1 0. That's why, yes, this drop is possible. But you remember the chart, what we tracked since 2021, May, drop, support, bounce. This was a all-time high, 44. Now, I don't think so. We will go to the new all-time high. Is it possible? Technically, yes, but let's be real. I never heard something new about the Atom. So, will Atom extend gains to open interest high, weekly high? International sales 2%, stake in the Cosmos for 2 million. Yes. You remember everybody screaming the Atom is future. This what can happen with so fundamental marketing points. Speculative side, we are inside or even under 27 blocks. So you remember the block, and I mark it, even in Zone 21. One day we'll come back and test 27 block, 422 to $8. Of course, if we not count that week, if we go to the line chart, we are inside that block, even under. So it's so obvious. That's why plan the most crazy scenario for the Atom. If by some miracle we're gonna hit the $20 in the future, I will be surprised, just to be honest. Locally, we trade under fundamental volume, tested below. One day we will retest $2.70, test below the buy line, take profit line for the Atom 538. Let's double check the money power. no money inflow, but the main money inflow was here, like 285, 269, and 2 and 7, 183. So in average, I guess the entry of these whales is around like, I don't know, $2.50 and $3. That's why I would be not surprised if we'll see the atom soon at $6.04. And everybody gonna scream and we're going to the moon. And this can be like a test of a hypothetical downtrend line. Like this one, we cut all noise. Not count with the weeks, we just count by body candle. So here, this is what we can see for the atom in the next upcoming weeks or the months. So this is it. Add alerts to the take profit line and track it. Guys, write please in the comment what you think about this for altcoins. If you'd like to trade as my customer Chris I will show on this video, use right medium. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.